Hello guys, welcome to Some Auto Parts YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to introduce our new products for new Defender. This is the rear spoil for the new Defender, which is available the car from 2020 to 2024. So this installation is very easy, just to replacement the back side of this rear trunk. So it's different with the previous one, which we are use the 3M sticker. It's just use the brackets on the back side to replacement. So follow my videos to replace the gloss black rear spoil for our new Defender and to see what's the difference between the sticker one and the replacement one. Step 1, we need to remove the rubber on the rear trunk and remove the both side exhibition box. You will find there comes 2 screws on the left and the right, so we need to remove the screws and then they can take off the rear trunk that one. So follow the videos to see the next step. Step 2, we will find there comes the brake light on the rear trunk. So we need to remove the rear trunk to put on the replacement one. So this is step 2. Step 3, we need to plug the connection of the brake light and fix the bracket on the back side. So that will be the final lock after we finish the rear spoil. Most car owners is very worried about the rear spoil drop off on the highways when they driving so high speed. So we upgrade the rear spoil complete with the rear trunk plate. So that will be solve these problems. If you are driving more than 180 kilometers on the highways, this one will be always safety and keep on your cars. So if you have any suggestion or comments about our products upgrade for new Defender, don't be hesitant to contact us and give the suggestion for we upgrade the new Defender project. So thank you very much for your watching today, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye bye.